It's gonna be my county. I bet it is.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 2:45
Oh, okay,
p.m.
it's
Eastern
Putnam.
Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palatka, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Crescent City, Interlochen, Pomona Park, East Palatka, Melrose, Georges Lake, Fruitland, Flora Home, and Bostwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Serving Daytona Beach and vicinity, this is NOAA weather radio station KIH-26, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida.